Hey everyone, it's Anthony James. So we're here in the house in Davie, Florida, and we're removing the waterproofing from the second floor deck. So I'm gonna apply the waterproofing, and apparently they didn't do it correctly. So we're gonna remove it and have it applied again. I'm using my Reapplication vacuum for the dust collection, my GP26, my two-headed grinder that runs at 120 volts, and under the machine I have my PCD diamonds. That's what I'm going to use to remove the waterproofing. Here we are, fast forward a couple days later. We already grinded a lot of the area. You see the concrete, the waterproof is gone. Some areas we still have waterproofing. See here, still missing that area, missing over there. Got to remove that grass, grind over there. This grass was partially removed, so we already ground down there. So just certain little areas that we're missing. So we should be done today with the rest of the stuff. And then I go to the edges. That's the exciting part. But we already finished the job. We ground down everything, the entire floor. We did all the edges with the hand grinder, but we had an issue. You see all those pieces of metal? That's like, I'm not sure what it is, but pieces of metal everywhere. So that metal was hitting the diamond, the PCD, and it was breaking them. So I had to switch them a few times. But yeah, we're already finished. Ground everything down. The guys already started applying waterproofing to the joints. And that's it. Another job well done. Hello everyone, it's Anthony James. You want to buy our products, everything that we use on the video is online. I know you could do it. Buy it online, do it yourself. It's no problem. AJStoneLife.com.